this would be the last thing you use on your hair. So you still use all the products that you might want to use. This would be the last thing you use. And it's kind of like an umbrella against frizz. So whether you're going clubbing or exercising or before you go to bed, just before you face the world, this would be the last thing that you spray on the hair. The other wonderful thing about this, it leaves a beautiful shine on the hair. Absolutely gorgeous. Yes?
What's the consistency of that?
It's lovely. Let me use it on someone. Can I use it on you, young lady?
Oh, I need umbrella against frizz.
It's very light. You don't run the risk of putting too much on and it goes like all gunky. For me, it's my worst nightmare to do someone's hair and I spray something on it and it all goes and I go, oh my god, so I would rather have to layer it. But you can, you can see it's even putting, and blonde hair doesn't shine very easily, right? But you can see that it even puts